Keto Shortbread Cookies. If you think you have to give up buttery, melt in your mouth cookies on a keto diet, think again. Keto Shortbread Cookies are here to change the game. These little bites of heaven deliver all the richness and crumbly goodness of traditional shortbread without the guilt of added carbs. What makes Keto Shortbread Cookies so special? It's all about using the right ingredients to achieve that perfect texture and flavor. Instead of regular flour, these cookies use almond flour, which not only keeps them low in carbs but also adds a subtle nuttiness that pairs beautifully with the buttery flavor. And don't worry, you won't miss the sugar either. A keto-friendly sweetener like erythritol or monk fruit provides just the right amount of sweetness without any of the carbs. But Keto Shortbread Cookies aren't just about satisfying a craving, they're about versatility, too. You can enjoy them plain, with a simple sprinkle of sea salt on top to enhance the flavors, or get creative by adding in some extras. Think sugar-free chocolate chips for a little decadence, or a hint of lemon zest for a refreshing twist. You can even dip them in some sugar-free dark chocolate for a more indulgent experience. These cookies are also incredibly easy to make, which means they're perfect for a quick baking session whenever the craving strikes. With just a few ingredients and minimal prep time, you can have a batch ready to enjoy in under 30 minutes. And because they keep well, they're great for making ahead and storing for a week of low-carb snacking. Here's a handy tip to ensure your Keto Shortbread Cookies turn out perfect every time: keep an eye on the baking time. Because almond flour can brown more quickly than regular flour, you'll want to watch the cookies closely to avoid overbaking. Just 10 to 12 minutes in the oven should do the trick. And don't forget to let them cool completely on the baking sheet before moving them. They firm up as they cool, giving you that delightful crumbly texture. Ready to indulge in a batch of these delicious Keto Shortbread Cookies? What are your favorite keto-friendly cookie recipes, or how would you customize these to suit your taste? Share your ideas in the comments below.